Hi there, and today I'm going to do a quick demo and my honest review, AI Image Upscaler. I wanted to test it out because I have so many AI generated images and these are not good enough to me. So I wanted to use this software to make sure all my images are good quality. I wanted to test this software because it offers $69 just one-time cost. There's no recurring payments. And also you can use this unlimited times to make images better. And also they offer you the 60 days money back guarantee. So that was good enough for me to test it. I just logged into the Image Upscaler. As you can see, my plan is lifetime plan. There's no recurring payments. And you are going to get the redeem code here, so you can add a code and use redeem code right here. Now you can go to upscale page. You can upload your images. These advertisements are everywhere and it's kind of annoying. So I was about to refund this software, but I was kind of stunned. This Image Upscaler works really well. So you can choose two different options, 200% or 400%. So I'm going to choose the 400%. You can drag and drop your image here, but you have to read here that you can add only up to 5 images at the same time. Max size is 10 megabytes, dimensions 4000 by 4000. This is the image that I'm going to upload. So let me zoom in and show you the quality of the image. As you can see, it's pixelated, it's very blurry eyes right here. I'm going to drag and drop of the image and you can click on the start. And once it's done, then you are going to see this download button. I'm going to download this to my computer. Save image as. Now this is my image with 400% upscaler. Can you see the difference? This is the after, this is before. This is the before, this is after. Let's compare it a little bit. This is the original image. Let's see the size, 800 by 896. This is the before, this is after. So as you can see, the size has been changed to 3200 pixel by 3200 pixels. Resolution is 72. I didn't expect that the image is going to be this much. So if you're looking for Image Upscaler, you can try this AI Image Upscaler. But again, I really hope they remove this advertisement. It's kind of annoying. And also, hopefully they extend more images to upload at the same time. I have more than thousands of images and I don't think that I can use this software, this platform. It will take forever to upload 5 images. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other deals in my honest review.